Okay, how to check the US or USA interest rates online.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
The first website is stockscan.io. Basically, this is the ticker symbol. You can type this on the search bar and you should be able to find it more or less, give or take. You have the chart of 25 years, 10 years, and all. And as you can see, we're currently up there more or less, give or take. At least this dating back to 2023. If we were to scroll down, we have the overview of interest and the historical data of interest down below, but this will give you an overview. The next one is a 62-year historical chart of the federal funds rate, or US, I guess, interest rates, as we can say. As you can see, we have a chart ranging back from all years, 20 years, etc., etc. It might look like we're in a downtrend, more or less, give or take. And you scroll down and you even have the year by year annual change. Now this might or might not be accurate. Take it for what it may or may not be. Whether it's nominal or not, it's up to you. I'll leave links down in the video